Let's do the unboxing of Maono AU-903 USB portable microphone. So I bought it from Amazon. So this is the box. So its model is Maono AU-903 portable USB microphone. Its MRP is written around 10,000 Indian rupees. But I got it for 3,500 rupees. So let's see the features here. Microphone capsules, microphone gain. So you can adjust the microphone gain. You can see two knobs here. One is for microphone gain and the second is for the headphone that you can attach it for real-time audio monitoring without any lag. So both of these are supported, and here we get type C cable or type C port, so that's a good thing. And then we have this multi-purpose stand. So quickly we will do the unboxing of this, and this supports both omnidirectional and cardioid patterns. So omnidirectional means if you want to capture the sound from surroundings everywhere, it's useful in conference kind of setting. And cardioid is when you want to record some video and you don't want the surrounding noise to be captured. So there is some other variant of this also, exact same model, which is just for cardioid. So if you want that, you can get it for even less price. So let's see what's inside the box. And we have unboxed it. So we got this small box here. We will see what's inside that. Then we have this user manual. And here is the microphone itself. It looks very compact. It has a multi-purpose stand here. This thing looks of metal. This is plastic, and this mesh is also metal. So it looks a good build quality and it should last some time. And here you can see this omnidirectional and cardioid pattern. You can adjust it, and this will be facing towards back. You don't need more often to change this. You know before starting the recording whether you want cardioid or omnidirectional. And these are the knobs. You can use for controlling the microphone gain, and the second one is for controlling the earphone that is attached to it. And where is the place for earphone? So here we have this earphone slot, 3.5 mm jack, and here is the type C port, and you can rotate it and it can stand as well. So let's look at the other smaller box content. It should have that type C cable and other things. So there are two cables here. So this first cable is USB to type C, and the second one is type C to type C, but we have this multi-purpose at one end. So you can detach it to make it micro USB. So either type C or micro USB, both will be supported. So it's good for connecting your smartphone, whether it's type C based or micro USB, both should work. And the second one is USB to micro to type C to connect your laptop with this. So that's a good thing. You can use it with all of your stuff, smartphones or laptops. And it's good to carry. You can carry it with you in a backpack if you are traveling somewhere. So that's a good thing. I will add a few videos using this mic to see what is the quality of recording. I had seen some good reviews, and I had seen that this microphone is quite underrated as compared to Blue Yeti, and it looks very similar to Blue Yeti Nano or slightly bigger than that. So I will add some videos and leave the link of those videos in this video description so that you can listen to the video quality. This video I am recording from my smartphone without any microphone or any post processing, so you can see the difference. What is the difference if I record it from this Maono Fairy AU-903 microphone?